And hello there. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Yep, the crazy one. But like I said, if you have an air fryer, you can take Jiffy and you can take chunky chicken soup. This is chunky creamy noodle. Add a little bit like a small pre-cooked breast meat, chicken breast meat to this and this, and you make a pasty, which is very simple, not hard to do. Again, add a little bit more vegetables. I add frozen peas, pre-cooked chicken breasts, and then I fold it into a pie. And to make a pastry, what you do is fold it in half, and crimp the edges with a fork. Very simple. Not rocket science, folks. Very easy. This, plus this, and a few ingredients will make you a nice, quick dinner. And I'll catch you later, folks.